Hey Rylan, what are you doing in the dishwasher? How'd you get there? Is that fun? Mommy turned her head for literally a split second, turned back around, and there you were on the dishwasher door. Good thing I took the knives out. Are you having fun? Where's your tongue? Oh, look at that tongue. Are you going to try and get out of the dishwasher now? Let's see it. Rylan, you going to come give Mom a kiss? What'd you find? Good thing you only weigh 20-some pounds, buddy, because if that door breaks, you don't have an allowance yet to pay for it. Is that funny? Funny, haha? There's the monkey. Where's your tongue? Don't know how to get out, do ya? Do you need Mama's help? Do you need my help? Is that where the soap goes? Rylan, kiss my feet. Kiss your feet.